Welcome to Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll continue from where we stopped. In the previous tutorial, we went over on how to install Anaconda so as to use the Jupyter notebook in it. All right. So in this tutorial, we are going to go over the no install option. Okay. Let's say for some reasons you do not want to install Anaconda in your system or in your device, and then you are looking for a way to code. All right. Don't worry. This video is actually going to talk about that. Okay, so now let's get into it. So all you have to do, like, there are so many ways that you can do this, but I'm going to go over two ways. Okay, so one of the ways you can do this is to go to your browser, right, and that jupyter.org/try. Okay, then click. All right, so you will see it's going to bring Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, and Voila. Right. So remember, Jupyter Lab is almost same thing as Jupyter Notebook, right? But we're going to use Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So now, all right. So you can see this is just an introduction. Okay, it's an introduction. So all you have to do is just to come over here and click New and click Notebook. Okay. So select. All right. So now here we are, right? So this is your this is just like your Jupyter notebook, or you can code here. Okay, so let's do something. Let's say 1 plus 1, and you come here and you run. Of course it's 2, right? 36 times 50, and you run, and of course 300, right? So now okay, let's say print. Okay, let's say print how can we print? Let's print a string. All right, let's print Anderson. All right, then now you run. Let's see Anderson. All right, so this is one of the options you have. All right, so one thing is that you cannot actually leave your code here, so because it's an online editor, right? So all you have to do is to click on file, right, come to download and just click on it. So you have downloaded your code to your local editor. So now to your local device. All right, so if I click on here, of course you see it opens it with VS Code. All right, because I have VS Code on my system already. Okay, and as you can see, 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 times 50, 300, print Anderson. All right, so this is one of the ways you can actually do this. Okay, so let's check out another way you can do this. All right, another way you can do this is Google Collab. All right, so Google Collab, this is actually used for data visualization. All right, and in order for you to do this, you actually need a Gmail account. Google Collab online notebook. Okay, so let's go. All right, it's loading. All right, so when you come here, you can see on title.o, SQLite, and the rest. So here you want to select new notebook. All right, new notebook, and it's loading. My internet is not all that too strong, but I think it will do. All right, so we are live. All right, so now you can see this is your cell. All right, you can do your normal stuff here. So you can do 1 plus 1 and run. Okay, and run. Okay, so when you run, you see it's show connecting. Okay, so when you run, it's actually running. Okay, my internet is a bit slow. All right, connected 2. Okay, so of course this is how you do it over here, and the good aspect is that it saves it directly to your drive. Okay, it's saved in your drive. So this is one of the two ways I actually want to show, but of course you can try out repl.it. Okay, .it, you can try this out. All right, why one of the reasons why I don't want to try this out, or why I don't want to show you, is that it actually has to do with I think you have to subscribe to in order to enjoy it, right? Okay, so yeah, you can check out this out at your own free time, but For the sake of this lecture, I will actually advise that you use Google Collab. All right, it is actually good. All right. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we'll actually start coding. All right, because we have actually talked enough, like enough theory. So we'll get into it. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.